So I keep talking about client, makeup artists, and photographers. But we as photographers, a lot of us have this mindset that once we are good, we can gather everybody around us and use them, gather all the clients so some other persons will not have clients and the rest. But I realized that some of our clients, the reason why they are not coming back to us is not because, one, we have issues with them. It's not because the picture wasn't fine. But sometimes they just want to work with somebody else also. There's some other times when the money they have is not enough, they just look for somebody that they can afford. So clients have a lot of reasons why they want to work with some other persons also. So as you're doing, you are the boss, you are good and the rest. Your client don't go snap picture for one person when you be the teaching, be the listing. Don't go snap picture for that person. And she likes the picture. She keep posting. In fact, some of them go even post that picture more than the pictures that you took of them that you think is the best picture in the world. So as a photographer, as a makeup artist, as a creative, don't always feel like because you are too good, these clients will always come to you. No. They will come, but sometimes they might want to work with somebody else. I have clients that have been working with me for the past 5 years since I started, but I've also seen them taking pictures from another person. That doesn't mean we have issue or something. But just get your idea straight so that your wings go fit just come down small. Shey you get. Peace.